In this video, I will show you how to write bracket in Microsoft Word document. So there are different type of brackets you can write. This is a simple bracket, square bracket, curly bracket, and this is the angle bracket. So just press Alt equal sign on keyboard. In bracket, you can select, and once you scroll down, there are some more options. Brackets with separators, single bracket, common bracket. So you can write some bracket using your keyboard, and in the Microsoft Word in equation you will find this all type of bracket. Thanks for watching.